Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best smartwatch for fitness available on the market today. We have considered this list based on research, customers' opinion, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the best smartwatch for fitness reviews, consumer ratings, and reports. Number 1. Amazfit GTS2. Super light and thin. Amazon Alexa built-in. Heart rate and sleep quality monitoring. SPO2 and stress level measurement 0.70 plus sports modes. Number 2. Fitbit Inspire 2. Earn active zone minutes as you progress toward your weekly 150 minutes track all-day activity. Your steps, distance, hourly activity, and calories burned. Use 24/7 heart rate to track resting heart rate and better measure calorie burn. Enjoy 10 days of battery life for daily progress without constant charging. Number 3. Fitbit Inspire HR. Utilize 24/7 heart rate to more accurately track calorie burn. Track all-day activity, including steps, distance, hourly activity. Active minutes automatically track sleep. Plus, due to the heart rate feature, radio transceiver. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.